5 fun facts about dogs. 1. Dogs' noses are wet to help them absorb chemicals. Have you ever wondered why dogs' noses are almost always wet? It's because this helps them absorb scent chemicals. Dogs' noses secrete a special mucus that helps absorb these chemicals, at which point dogs lick their noses to sample them, helping them understand the smell. 2. Newfoundlands are amazing lifeguards. Newfoundland dogs are the ultimate doggy lifeguards because they have water-resistant coats and webbed feet. They can also swim for unusually long distances, even while pulling a would-be drowning victim to safety. This makes sense because Newfoundlands were once bred as working dogs for fishermen and were relied upon to rescue people from drowning. As a result, today many Newfoundland owners have had their dog try to rescue them while they're simply going for a swim in a pool or lake. Newfoundlands are hardly the only dogs who enjoy being in and around water. Other water dogs include the Labrador Retriever, the Standard Poodle, the English Setter, and the rare but beloved American Water Spaniel. 3. Dogs can see some colors. Many people believe dogs are colorblind, but that's not true. Although the vast spectrum of colors that human beings enjoy goes well beyond what a dog can see, they do see certain colors. In the case of dogs, their retinas only contain the types of cones in their retinas responsible for seeing the colors blue and yellow. Don't feel too bad for your dog, however. Although the range of colors they can see is limited, dogs have an advantage over people when it comes to how many rods they have in their retinas. This means they are far more adept than we are at seeing in dark conditions. 4. Dogs are either right or left-pawed. This one might surprise you. According to a recent study, dogs can be right or left-pawed, just like humans. This study tested 17,901 dogs by giving them a food retrieval task consisting of a treat or piece of dog food placed in a tube. The dog would then be observed as they reached in with their paw to pull it out. This study reported 74% of dogs showed a clear preference for using one paw over the other, and the remaining 26% seemed to use both paws equally. Further, among the dogs who seemed to have a preference, 58.3% of dogs were right-handed, while 41.7% were left-handed. When it comes to people, approximately 90% are right-handed, with 10% being left-handed and a minuscule 1% being ambidextrous. 5. A bloodhound's sense of smell can be used as evidence in court. How's this for some interesting dog breed information? A trained bloodhound's sense of smell is so spot on that it can be admitted as evidence in a court of law. Perhaps it's because bloodhounds can follow tracks over 300 hours old and can stay on a scent trail for over 130 miles.